Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to set up or create a Cash App account. So if you're using Cash App for the first time, then just follow along. First, download the Cash app from the App Store on iPhone or from the Google Play Store on your Android. And once it's installed, open the app and then tap sign up. Then enter your email address or mobile phone number and type in the verification code that Cash App sends you. Next, create your own unique cash tag, which is the username that people will use to send you the money. Then enter your full name and any other information requested during the setup process. And to start sending and receiving payments, you can also link a debit card or bank account by following the on-screen instructions. And once everything is complete, your Cash App account is ready to use. You can now send money, receive payments and funds, and explore other features available in the app. So that was how to set up or create a Cash App account. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.